Hey, what's up everybody? Sean here. Every time I make a video, lawnmowers, motorcycles, shit. Alright, hey, Sean here. Krusty Customs Garage. It's a little cluttered right now. But if you're watching this, you probably already saw the title. And I got a question for you. Does your Festiva, or any other car for that matter, sound like this? Oh boy. Well, if you answered yes to that, you might have a muffler that looks like this. I don't know if you can really see that very well, but there's some big old holes all over this thing. Tailpipe just looks incredible. That's sarcasm. So, what we're going to do today, this is just a short video. I'm going to pop on this replacement muffler. It's actually a direct replacement. It's got the flange on the back. It's got the hangers welded on. I got this baby off the Rock Auto. This is an AP Exhaust Products MSL Maximum Premium Muffler. Maximum. So that's what I'm expecting. Maximum results. Anyway, 2 bolts, a few hangers. I'm going to lube them up, snap this thing off. And we're going to give her a rev and see how she turns out. Like I said, short and sweet video. But I haven't made a video in a while and I wanted to let you guys know I'm still alive. Alright, I'll be right back. Well, we're under the car now. I'm not sure how good you're going to see this, but... Alright. So it looks... Let me bring you in here. I'm going to turn on my state-of-the-art whatever the hell this is. Amazonian light. Well, you can see there's the old 2 bolts right there. You can see just a nice gasket in between. I don't have that. So I'll have to make something. But hopefully these bolts either come out or they just fucking break. Pardon my French. Because I got bolts I can put in there. But I really don't feel like dealing with anything other than just making it happen. So let's just do that. Hopefully you guys will be able to see even a tiny part of this. This is going to be a 14. Should have some goggles on. I just realized I'm under a muffler that probably hasn't been replaced since 1996. Well, this one's coming. That's so far so good. I don't know if you can see it in the shot. The parking brake cable bracket is right there, and that's just calling out to me to jam my wrist or something into it and cut the shit out of myself. I'm keep my eyes closed here mainly because there's just shit raining down on me right now. I gotta say, that is pretty dang awesome. So hopefully the other side of this is going to do the same thing and just play ball with me. That would be great. Well, better in my mouth than in my eyes, I guess. Oh boy. Yeah, it's not wanting to play nice here. You know, why would it? Oh boy. Alright, well, that one just snapped right off, as you can see, which is fine. I'm fine with that result. So now we just need to get, this has got 3 hangers on it. There's one in the front passenger side, one on the rear passenger side, and one on the rear driver's side. So I'm just going to pop those off. I'll pop the muffler off and we'll be right back. I did lubricate these with a little bit of Croil. But you can use whatever you got laying around, PBs or WDs or whatever you got. Be right back. All right, guys, we're back. I got the muffler off the car. I just want to show you, this is what we're putting in, like I showed you earlier. Everything's ready to go on that. This is what we took off. This is the top view. You can see the whole seam is rusted. Look at that baby. Oh yeah, significantly shot out. And then of course over here. So yeah, that was ready to go right in the bin, as they say on other YouTube channels. In the bin. Anyway, not much to see putting it on. You just kind of hang it and bolt it. Pretty simple. So I'm going to do that, and that's about it. I'll give you a little run of the engine so you can hear the difference in volume, and then we'll wrap it up. Like I said, the short and sweet video. All right, guys, we're back after not much effort, honestly. A little bit just dirty because all soot and junk up under there. Very, very straightforward job. I had nuts and bolts laying around, so it was real easy to find something to replace the one we broke. Hangers, all the little rubber donuts were just fine, nice and soft, popped right off. So muffler is installed. I've cut my finger, my index finger, for the 3rd time in 2 weeks in the same place, so that's a plus. So let me know what you guys think of that. It's gonna be much quieter. I hope it's not too quiet. I don't like that. But it's supposed to be the maximum edition muffler. Alright, so what I'm going to do is submit an immediate review of Rock Auto's 70021 AP Exhaust Products MSL Maximum Premium Muffler. Nope. It is church quiet, which is fine. It's better than that rot box I had on there, honestly. And it was pumping fumes on all the rust holes into the engine compartment. No thanks. So I'm going to take her for a spin. I want to thank you guys for checking out this little short video. Hopefully it inspires you to get going on your projects. This one's been an ongoing one. Coming up next for this car, just a little sneak preview. Bucket seats. So that swap is happening next, right here on Krusty Customs Garage. So thanks for stopping by. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the little bell if you haven't done all that already. Tell your friends, moms, sisters, Kate Upton, and Anna Kendrick if you know them. How you doing? Anyway, I love you, honey. So, yeah, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.